Hello everyone, my name is Irvi Windari. You can call me Irvi. I am 5th semester of Mathematics Education student at State Islamic University Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. Today, in this video, I will tell you about plane figures. I know you have already learned that, but before I give a problem about plane figure, I will discuss a little about plane figures, just a reminder. Okay, what is plane figures? A plane is a flat surface that extends in all directions. A plane figure is any shape that can be drawn on a plane or a flat surface, and they are from using straight lines or curved lines. As defined earlier about plane figures can be open plane figures and closed plane figures. The first, open plane figure that starts at one point and ends at another point. For example, this curve which begins at the point X and ends at another point Y. Open plane figures are not always drawn with curved lines. We can use straight lines also to draw an open plane figures. As in this example, we have used straight lines to draw an open plane figure which begins at the point A and ends at the point B. Okay, after open plane figures, we learn what about closed plane figure. Closed plane figures that start and ends at the same point. For example, if we use straight lines to start the point X and end it at the point X again. Then, the second example also we can draw closed plane figures with curved lines, as we have done where we started drawing a curved line from the point A and ended it at the same point. Okay, this is some example from closed plane figures. They are square, rectangle, triangle, trapezium, parallelogram, and circle. Apart from square, rectangle, triangle, trapezium, parallelogram, and circle, there are few more plane figures such as oval, rhombus, semicircle, and kite. Okay, because we have already reviewed the material, now I have a problem about plane figures. Mrs. Erika have a rhombus-shaped rice field that has perimeter 200 meters, and one of the diagonals is 60 meters. Mrs. Erika will sell the rice field at a price per square meters is 100,000 rupiah. The proceeds from the sale will be used to buy land in the city with a size of 10 times 15 meters. And the price per square meters is 1 million rupiah. Is the money from selling rice fields enough to buy land in the city? From this problem, the required plane figures are rhombus and a rectangle. Okay, now we will solve the problem. Before answering this question, we must first write down what is known and what is asked. Okay, known, the perimeter from rhombus is 200 meters and one of diagonals is 60 meters. Rectangular land with a size of 10 times 15 meters. The price of rice fields per square meters is 100,000 rupiah, And last, the land price per square meters is 1 million rupiah. And ask, is the money from selling the rice fields enough to buy land in the city? Okay, now we must draw rhombus and rectangle like this. Then we do the example for the price of rice fields is R, and for the price of land in the city is L. Because the price of rice fields per square meters is 100,000 rupiah, so we have to find the area of rhombus. You must have studied the area of a rhombus is area of rhombus equals half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. For that, we have to find another diagonal which is AC by finding the length of AB, BO, and AO. We know in the question that the perimeter of a rhombus is 200 meters, so we can find length of each side of a rhombus. AB equals BC equals CD equals AD equals 200 divided by 4 equals 50 meters. Next, find the length of BO using one of the diagonals is 60 meters. BO equals half times BD equals half times 60 equals 30 meters. After that, we need to calculate length of AO with Pythagoras. AO equals square root of AB square minus BO square equals square root of 50 square minus 30 square equals square root of 1600 equals 40 meters. Because we got the length of AO, we can calculate diagonal AC. AC equals 2 times AO equals 2 times 40 equals 80 meters. From there, we can find the area of rhombus is area of rhombus that is 2400 meters square. After we get the area of rhombus, we have to find the area of rectangle. You must have studied the area of rectangle is area of rectangle equals length times width. Okay, we can directly calculate area of rectangle that is 10 times 15. So, area of rectangle is 150 meters square. We got area of rhombus and rectangle, we can calculate the price of rice fields and land in the city. Okay, the formula price of rice fields is area of rhombus times 100,000 rupiah equals 240 million rupiah. And price land in the city is area of rectangle times 1 million rupiah equals 150 million. Okay, we got price of rice fields equals 240 million rupiah and price of land in the city equals 150 million rupiah. So the conclusion is the money from selling rice fields is enough to buy land in the city. Okay, maybe that's all I can explain about plan figures. I'm sorry for my mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye everyone.